Today we're going to be making a catching game in Scratch Part 2. So let's get started by opening your web browser and typing in Scratch. Then tap Create, Library, and get the apple. What we're going to do is make the apple from the top fall down, and then you have to move the bowl and try and catch it. So the point section will be in part 3, so if you want to know about that, please subscribe. And for now we're doing the apple, so we place it at the top there. Now we go to the bowl and get the when green flag click block and place it. Then we go here, broadcast message 1. We get new message and change the message name to game on. Now we go back to the apple and get the when I receive game on block from events. Now we get that. Then we go to motion and get the change y by 10 block and change this the 10 to -10. What this will do is that when I click green flag, the apple will move -10 y. Just look on the y symbol here and see how it changes. It moves -10 like it says. So that's what it does. But since we want the apple to touch the ground, we go to control and get the repeat until block and drag it here when the change y by -10 block is inside it. Then we go to sensing and get the Ching mouse pointer block and change it to edge. Now we go to operators and get this OR block. Then we go back to sensing and get another touching mouse pointer block and change it to bowl and put it inside the OR operators block. Then drag the touching edge block and put it inside as well. So now put this inside the repeat until block, and now let's see what happens. Ooh, now it moves down. And after that, we need to tell it what to do after it touches the edge or bowl. So now we go to the looks and get the hide block and put it here. And we go to motion and get the set y to -110 block and place it here. But y -110 is this low, which is not good. So we go back, drag the apple to the top is 124, so we change this to 124. Good. Now we get the go to random position block and drag it above the set y to 124 block. Then we go to control and get the forever block and drag it and make sure that everything is inside the forever block. Now we go back to looks and get the show block and drag it underneath the set y to 124 block. Now let's test it out. Great! It's falling from loads of different places. Excellent! Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye!